Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, yellow color, black color, pink color, green color, red color, violet color, sky blue color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Purple color. A. A for avocado. A for ant. Green color. B. B for birds. B for box. Red color. C. C for candy. C for cherry. Pink color. Number 1. Number 1. O and E. 1. Violet color. Number 2. Number 2. T W O. 2. Yellow color. Number 3. Number 3. T H R E. 3. A for avocado. B. B for birds. C. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, brown color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, black color, red color, purple color, dark blue color, dark green color. Let's try to learn some 2D shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Red color, triangle, light green color, square, yellow color, Circle. Violet color. Hexagon. Purple color. Star. Sky blue color. Pentagon. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.